Thanks for choosing to watch this short video to introduce Outsource Financial and also to give reasons why you should be building a mortgage and finance division as part of your practice. My name's Brendan Kurtz, and on behalf of the entire Outsource Financial management team, being Tanya Sale, Deborah Ben, Andrea Tassis and Gary Stewart, we really welcome you and thank you for joining us. So today's objectives are, one, to really just put a case to you about why you should be moving into mortgage and finance, either via referral service or working with someone and being appointed as a credit rep underneath their Australian credit licence. And secondly, just to give you a bit more information about Outsource Financial. Fundamentally, we believe there's 6 important reasons why your practice should offer a mortgage and finance service. And I'm going to look at these in a little bit of detail. Firstly, public awareness is obviously growing that it is a competitive marketplace. That's being helped by a number of media and government statements saying that people should constantly reevaluate what their current debt and loan requirements are. And what we put to you is that as the client's trusted advisor, you're the best person to give them advice in that area. There's a lot of noise in this space, but at the end of the day, if you're an accountant and financial planner, you're the most trusted person for that particular client. Secondly, many of your clients have been dealing with you and your practice for some years already. So what that really means is that you would have by far the bulk of information already at your fingertips to build a successful consumer and commercial credit business. Once again, you know your clients best already, so you really should be moving into this area. Thirdly, banks are aggressively asking for clients not only what they're doing with their consumer and commercial credit requirements, but they're moving into other financial services. They're moving into financial planning, SMSF, accounting, insurance. So really, if you move into this area, you're going to be brick-walling your relationship with the client at the end of the day. Obviously, building a mortgage and finance, a consumer and commercial credit business will create increased ongoing revenue on a month-to-month basis. You build up a trail book via our referral model and also a direct writer model, which I'll talk about in some detail in a moment. But building up that month-to-month revenue is obviously very, very important to any business. The next point is almost related to the last point, but there's a slight change here, change in emphasis. When you come to sell your business, you'll obviously get a greater multiple, a greater return on your investment if you have multiple income streams that you've built up, one of which being is consumer and commercial credit business. And last but not least by any means is that this area is fundamental, working in this area is fundamental to you helping your clients achieve their personal and commercial financial goals. Again, you're already their trusted advisor, you already know these clients best, so you're in the prime position to offer these services and to offer these value-add products to your client base. It's important to understand what an association with Outsource Financial brings to your business. We've got distinctive financial solutions that offer you choice in service options, a choice in business models. We've got competitive pricing, and we've got the ability to offer real value to your clients. If you want to be a credit rep under our license, we can mentor you and coach you or your representative towards setting up a successful in-house loan advisory business. We can provide you to access to very talented, very skilled lending managers if you want to build up your business via the referral model that we offer. So lending managers in your local area can be assigned to you to work with your firm and those in your firm to build up that business. We've got dynamic marketing material and business strategy material that will really allow you to integrate a consumer and commercial loan advisory business into your tax business, or into your financial planning business, or into your insurance business. And finally, we offer an array of third-party services which you've got the option of tapping into should you choose. So this is really what it all boils down to, this diagram that you can see on the screen here. Basically, we provide two different lending models, two different consumer and commercial lending models. The first is what we call the referral model. With the referral model, approximately 80% of our members use this model, and this is the model where we assign a very talented lending manager to work very closely with your business. The lending manager works with your firm, develops relationships within the firm, will meet with your team regularly to run through educational briefings and changes in the credit space, and of course work with you to achieve the best outcomes for your clients. The second business model, the direct model, enables you or your representative to become a credit representative under our Outsource Financial Australian credit license, and we help you satisfy all the industry and regulatory requirements to achieve that. But then we roll you into quite an intensive mentoring and coaching program, and then there's also the ongoing continuing professional development program and mentoring and support service that we offer. So we have one of the leading mentoring processes within the industry, which is one of the reasons why last year we were nominated as Boutique Aggregator of the Year by our industry. So very quickly, the type of lending and borrowing solutions that we assist clients with, obviously home loans and investment home loans, but really our forte is more with commercial lending, commercial tenders, formulating commercial expressions of interest. Our fastest growing area of finance perhaps is self-managed super fund loans. That is a very exciting area. And probably our second fastest growing area is motor vehicle and business equipment finance. So have a think about your firm and the profile of the clients in your firm. If you have a lot of self-employed clients, we can really assist you with helping those clients with their personal and also commercial finance needs. So what's next? Make contact with our head office, or please phone me up and have a chat with myself. Let's have a one-to-one conversation about which model suits your firm best. It may very well be that you take a hybrid approach where you might start referring for some areas of finance, but you might just start off with, say, motor vehicle and business equipment finance, and over time evolve into offering more direct credit services. It's important that you have that one-to-one conversation with myself or one of my colleagues. So on behalf of the Outsource Financial Management team, Tanya Sale, Andrea Tassis, Deborah Ben, Gary Stewart and myself, thanks for joining us.